Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna head up to Lake Louise, see what kind of beauty we can find. Also heard about this thing called public land use, so we're going to maybe see if we can fly the drone there and get some cool photos. All right, let's get to it. So today I'm in Alberta and I really wanted to take the drone up, and it's getting harder and harder in Canada to find spots. I was at the national park this morning at Banff National Park, absolutely gorgeous. Went up to Lake Louise, no drones up there. But what I did find out is there's little spots in Alberta called public land use areas, and I'm in one of them right now. Very, very beautiful. So I'm gonna try and get the bird up there and do a quick little shot for you guys. Here we go. Okay, so here we are in public land use area. Got the drone out there, so we're gonna get it up. All right, waiting for the app to open. Okay, go fly. Ooh, wind's picking up. Okay, here we go. So I was walking along this area here that I parked, and I saw this. It looks like a pretty big paddy. So I'm pretty sure I'm in an area with bears. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of here now. All right, well, that was really exciting. I got to get the drone up in the mountains. I wanted to do that for a while. I was out here last time and couldn't, so this time I was able to. And I'm in a public land use area, so Transport Canada, it's completely legal. All right, got a long drive into Calgary, so here we go. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I hope your day was full of awesomeness.